14th pre-competitive skill test. The regulations shall be prepared by the academic council and shall be submitted to the syndicate, which may approve them or withhold approval or refer them back to the academic council for reconsideration. Full stop. A regulation prepared by the academic council shall not be valid, unless it receives the approval of the syndicate. Full stop. The procedure for adding to, amending or repealing the statutes and the regulations shall be the same as that prescribed respectively for framing or making statutes and regulations. Full stop. The authorities and the other bodies of the university may make rules consistent with this act, the statutes and the regulations, to regulate the conduct of their business and the time and place of meetings and related matters. Full stop. New paragraph. Provided that the syndicate may direct the amendment or the annulment of any rules made under this section by another authority or body other than the Senate. Full stop. Provided further that if such other authority or body is dissatisfied with such direction, it may appeal to the Senate, whose decision in the matter shall be final. Full stop. The application shall further contain an undertaking that after the educational institution is affiliated, any transference of and changes in the management and in the teaching staff, save in the case of government colleges, shall be forthwith reported to the university, and that teaching staff shall possess such qualifications as are or may be prescribed. Full stop. That procedure to be followed in disposing of an application for the affiliation of an educational institution shall be such as may be prescribed. Full stop. New paragraph. Provided that affiliation shall not be refused, unless the educational institution has been given an opportunity of making a representation against the proposed decision. Full stop. Where an educational institution desires to add to the course of instruction in respect of which it is affiliated, the procedure prescribed under subsection of section shall, so far as may be followed. Full stop. Every educational institution affiliated to the university shall furnish such reports, returns and other information as the university may require to enable it to judge the efficiency of the educational institution. Full stop. In this section, competent authority means the appointing authority or a person duly authorized by the appointing authority or in that behalf, not being a person lower in rank to the officer, teacher or other employee concerned. Full stop.